Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef top blade roast on my Weber Kettle. I have about a 2.5 pound beef chuck top blade roast here. I usually cook these in my slow cooker, but I thought, you know what, I think I'll try it on the grill today. So I seasoned it last night with some kosher salt and some of this Johnny's seasoned pepper and just put it in the fridge. So I seasoned it last night, and it's got this kind of skin on the back, so it was kind of hard to get off, so I figured I'll just leave it on and probably be easier to cut it off after this is cooked. So we'll see how that goes. Probably no seasoning will really get in there, but we'll see what happens. So my plan here is just to cook it kind of medium to maybe about 130 to 140 degrees, like I would, like, say, a tri-tip roast. Like I said, I've cooked the little steaks that are made out of these, but I've never tried cooking one of these roasts on the grill like this. So I've got my Slow N Sear filled about halfway up with charcoal. I just used a paper towel with some cooking oil down in the bottom to get that started. I put water in the reservoir there, and just wait for the coals to get a little bit hotter before I put the lid on. My coals are looking pretty good, so let's get the lid on there and get cooking. It's been about half an hour, and here's how my grill temperatures are running. The wireless one reads 235 and that one reads 285. There's usually about a 40 to 50 degree difference between the two. Right now I have my top vent all the way open, and the bottom one is almost closed. It's only open about 1/4 of an inch. It's been about an hour, and the internal temperature of my meat is 109 degrees Fahrenheit, so I guess we should open this up and see how it looks. Looks like it's doing pretty good, but I think I'm going to flip it over. That side doesn't look too appetizing with all that skin on there, but it's not going to be in any competitions or anything, so I'm not too worried about that. Just get the lid back on and let that finish cooking. It's been an hour and a half, and the internal temperature of my roast is 133 degrees Fahrenheit by what that probe says. Let me check it with this thermometer. 135. Let's see what this side is. 130. That's about where I want it. So I think I will take the probe out and sear it on both sides now. All right. All that fat's starting to flame up quite a bit. I get that off of there and let it cool down a little bit before I do the other side. Okay, that died down. Now we'll sear the other side. This smells really good. Now I'm going to get it off of there and let it rest for a little bit, and then we'll try it out. This has rested for about a half hour or 45 minutes here. That's the side that had that white skin on it. It actually looks pretty good now that it's seared. Let's just cut this thing right down the center and see how it looks. Oh wow, that looks really, really nice. That looks really, really nice, but how does it taste? That is the important part. Wow, that is really good. Better than I expected. Want to try some top blade roast, Amy? Pretty good stuff. You know, I wasn't really sure what to expect from that. I thought it might be kind of tough because you don't really see people cooking that cut of meat that way much, but I'm glad I tried it. It was really, really good. Even that piece of like skin going across the top of the meat, that white stuff, I was able to chew that, and sometimes there's that gristle going through the middle. That was pretty tender as well, so I'm really happy with that. I'll definitely cook that type of meat that way again. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.